In this very video, I'm going to be guiding you step-by-step process on how you can get to create short animation video using AI. And the process to do it is very simple and easy. I mean, take a look at this story I created using AI. So if you're really interested about this, watch this video from the beginning to the end and let's dive in.
Okay, let's get started, guys. I have prepared the prompt that we're going to make use to generate this story and the storyboard. Everything I have take my time to prepare the story. That's the reason why I'm going to be leaving the link to this Google document in this video description. Okay, the process is very simple and easy. So you can say this is the storyboard here. You can say this is the scene and also the storyboard. You can say Gemini image prompt. Okay, so this is the image, Gemini Google Flow. And also we have the animation prompts too on that you can see image prompt and also the animation prompt, which is this second one. You can see shot 1, shot 2, shot 3, shot 4, shot 5, and so on like that. Okay, so let's start building our story one after the other. Okay, the first step right now is to copy the first image prompt. Okay, copy the first image prompt here. Let me copy this. Okay, just copy this entire section here like this. Click on copy. Okay, after you are done with that, come to this section. We are going to be making use of Google Flow. Google Flow, I'm very sure most of you watching this video will be familiar with Google Flow. Okay, so once you are type in Google Flow into your browser, just click on and it will take you to this interface. It is free to use. Okay, just click on new projects. Okay, once you click on new projects, it's very simple and easy. So change this section to image and set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and let's use Nano Banana 2. Okay, use Nano Banana 2 and also use the how many generation 2. Okay, just paste the first prompt here. Click on paste and click on send right away, and let's wait for a couple of minutes for this to generate our video for us. Sorry, our image. So our first scene image has been generated, and I like the first shot. Like the first shot here is very simple, it's not complicated, and everything look perfect actually. Okay, so the next step right now is to generate the next scene image, which is scene 2, and or you can call it shot 2. Okay, so going to pause the video now. I'm going to generate. After I'm done generating, then we can start animating. Okay, so let me generate this. Click on paste. Okay, just paste it and click on generate right away. Okay, so that's how that is the process we are going to use to generate each and every image. Then after we're done generating the image, we can move to the next step, guys. Okay, alright guys, so we have successfully created all our character and everything. Okay, so the next step right now is to start animating each and every character we have created. Okay, so what we need to do is to come back here, come back to the Google Flow. Don't worry, you can make use of this Google. I will link. Okay, so just come to this section here, copy this section, click on copied, and move to this section here. Which one are we choosing? I think we are going to choose this, so I just need to click it down and click on animate right away. So the video, let me just leave it around 8 seconds, or okay, let's leave it around 10 seconds and leave the generation to 2 or to 1 and paste it. We need to paste this section here. There, just click on paste and click on send right away. So let me just wait for a couple of minutes for this to generate for me. Our video has been generated, and let's preview it. Let's see what we have created, and we'll just preview it.
In the heart of the city, Obi found something that didn't belong. Obi found something that didn't belong.
Good.
In the heart.
Actually good. It's actually good, and let me animate each and every section. Then after we are done with that, I'm going to show you how I'm going to edit everything in CapCut.
Okay, so this is the time to do the final edit right away. Okay, so what we need to do right now is to click on create video.
Okay, after you click on create video, we need to do it scene by scene. This is scene 1, scene 2, 3, and 4, and this is the last one here. Just click on create right away. Okay, so what you can see how clean it is. So I just need to group it very well, and that's how simple it is. You add everything together. This place, there you have something like distorts. So I need to cut some parts there, which is okay. So this is good. When it turns, and just click on cut. Okay, so just take your time to edit it, and we're gonna have a very good video. And that's just it. Like that's how simple it is, guys. Okay, so once we are done, we just need to export it. Remove this and click on export. Okay, that's how simple it is. Thank you.